Hello everyone. So last week we published an article about the Postman collection that we made for you to make your developer experience just a bit nicer when working with Vendure. And in this video, I just want to go and show you how that looks in practice. So all what you would need to have is just a local instance of Vendure running on your machine. I'm just going to do that right here. And then on our page, on the blog page, you can find the link to the Vendure collection, which I have open right here. And right here, you can find all the queries and mutations. And as an example, let's just go through how creating a user, logging in, and managing an order would look like. So we would just have to find the register customer account mutation. Right here, I'm just using some dummy data for this current user. And now it is created. And now they just use this post request to log in and create a session ID, session cookie, which gets stored as an environment variable right here. And what is convenient about working with Postman is that you get also all the GraphQL schema introspected and added, which then can be used to support the type checking and autocomplete for the queries. So as an example right here, if we go to the active order, we can see right here that it says it will be null if the add item to order has not been ran yet. So let's just find all the items first, list all products. And right here, we can see that if we query for all the items, we can find them. But to add items to the order, we would need to have the variant IDs instead. So this is how adding it looks like. You don't have to know everything by heart. You can just find it in the docs right here. So let's see, we want to have the variant ID and the variant name. So if we just run the query again, we can see that, for example, our first item, laptop, has 4 variant with the variant ID to each item right here. So we can create the order right now by adding an item. Let's just go for product variant ID 1 and quantity of 1. And just like that, we have the order. Let's also create another order with a different item. We just added 2 mice to the order. Now, if we go back to the active order, we can now query that, and we can see the items that we added. And that's how it looks like, and that's how it looks like. And you can also add your own queries right here. If we just use this shop API, and you would have all the docs available to you right here. And then you can just create the queries just like how I did earlier. And yeah, that is it. There's a lot more details about this on the blog page. So feel free to read through it and see how you can set it up on your own local machine. And that is all. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon.